Hello, my wonderful, amazing artists. It's me, Miss Abby, your art teacher. And today we're getting inspired by ice creams and sorbets and popsicles and all of our favorite sweet summertime treats. And so today we're going to design and do a drawing of our dream sweet, cold summer treat. Whether you like popsicles or milkshakes or ice cream cones or ice cream sundaes. Let's think about that. And today we're going to focus on three senses to make this artwork. We're going to think about our sense of taste and what tastes delicious to us and what our favorite flavor combinations are. And we're going to think about our sense of touch and how ice cream is cold. And also when you reach out and touch a cone of ice cream, how does that feel? And we're also going to think about our sense of sight and what colors things are. Let's get started. Okay, so for this project, we're going to I recommend starting with a pencil, but I'm using a marker so that it's easier to see from far away on the computer screen. Let's get started I'm going to do the ice cream cone first, then the popsicle. So the ice cream cone is starting with a triangle. And remember, we talked about the sense of touch and how if you were to reach out and touch an ice cream cone, would it be smooth if we touched an ice cream cone like this plastic cup? Or would there be some lumps and some bumps? Right, yeah, there's lines. If you go to the ice cream shop, you might be able to order a waffle cone. Or the grocery store, you might pick up a waffle cone, and that has texture. It has lines that kind of remind us of waffles. And the way I'm drawing that is I'm doing diagonal lines. Diagonal lines this way, and then the opposite direction. And diagonal lines so we have horizontal lines, vertical lines, diagonal somewhere in between, like slanty, like a hill that you could slide down, or a slide you could slide down. That's diagonal. And also, the way I remember, and this is a secret between us, diagonal lines are the power move in Connect 4 and Tic-Tac-Toe if you like playing those games. That's a good way to sneak up on somebody. Anyways, back to ice cream. Next, I'm going to add a cloudy line. That is ice cream, and it's going to connect the half circle to the cone. And that's my ice cream cone. Now, if you wanted, you could also add some toppings. Maybe some fudge or a little dollop of whipped cream and a cherry on top. Or some chocolate sprinkles. Doesn't that look fun and special? Because remember, this is a super special, exciting ice cream. There you go. So that's how you do an ice cream. Now I'm going to show you the popsicle. Popsicles are really easy. We're starting with a tall vertical line. And then a rainbow or a frown, boop. Like that. Then another vertical line that's the same length. Then a little horizontal line. And popsicles come in different shapes and sizes. I'm just thinking about the fruit ones in my fridge, but they can also be more kind of like this. I've even seen some shaped like Sonic the Hedgehog. Isn't that cool? And then the fun part about drawing ice creams and popsicles is you get to think about, okay, what flavor do I like? What flavor tastes good to me? What combination of flavors? And what color do those flavors look like? For example, I want to make a strawberries and chocolate ice cream, kind of inspired by chocolate-covered strawberries. So I'm gonna grab some pinks, maybe some reds for that one. And then my popsicles, I think I'm gonna do lemon and cherry for those, because I like popsicles that are a little sour and a little sweet together. But I've never had one. I hope that maybe I'll try and find one at the grocery store. But my favorite popsicles, they're like lime. So I'm thinking about sweet and sour, and if I were a chef creating an ice cream flavor, what flavor would I make? How would I put together my favorite things that taste really good? And you gotta think too, I love popcorn, but I don't know if that would be good in ice cream. And I also love broccoli, but I know that wouldn't be good in ice cream. But I like chocolate and strawberries, so I think that would be a good ice cream combination. So we're thinking like Ben and Jerry's ice cream. Okay, now I'm gonna color these in. Ta-da! Here are my 3 ice cream flavors. This one's watermelon, popsicle. I think this is my favorite style. I think it's really cute. And then we have strawberry and lemon and lime with like actual strawberries. And then an ice cream cone with strawberry chocolate chip with fudge, whipped cream, and a teeny tiny strawberry on top. So that's what tastes good to me. I know I would love to see you come up with your own ice cream flavors and popsicles. I think it's going to be amazing. And we got to think about our sense of taste and our sense of sight and even a little bit our sense of touch. So I hope you give this a try. It'll be really fun to see what you come up with and what crazy flavors you can come up with. Bye. Have fun making art.